Geography and nature. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 common English words about geography and nature. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Geography. Country. 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 A country is a nation with its own government. I live in a beautiful country. Where do I live? In a country. City. City, city. A city is large and busy. She works in the city. Where does she work? In the city. Town, town, town. A town is smaller than a city. He lives in a quiet town. Where does he live? In a town. Village, village, village. A village is small and peaceful. My grandparents live in a village. Where do my grandparents live? In a village. Capital, capital, capital. A capital is the main city of a country. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. What is Hanoi? The capital. Center, center, center. The center is the middle place. We meet in the center of town. Where do we meet? In the center of town. Square, square, square. A square is an open public place. People gather in the square. Where do people gather? In the square. Corner, corner, corner. A corner is where two streets meet. The shop is on the corner. Where is the shop? On the corner. Area, area, area. An area is a part of a place. This area is very quiet. How is this area? Quiet. Region, region, region. A region is a large area of land. This region is famous for food. What is this region famous for? Food. Nature, Part 2. Sea. 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 The sea is large and salty. We swim in the sea. Where do we swim? In the sea. Ocean. 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 The ocean is very deep and wide. Whales live in the ocean. What lives in the ocean? Whales. River. 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 A river flows with water. The river runs through the city. What runs through the city? The river. Lake. 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 A lake is calm and fresh. We sit by the lake. Where do we sit? By the lake. Pond. 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 A pond is small and shallow. Fish live in the pond. Where do fish live? In the pond. Beach. 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 A beach is next to the sea. They walk on the beach. Where do they walk? On the beach. Island. 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 An island is land in the sea. We visit a small island. What do we visit? A small island. Mountain. 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 A mountain is very high. Snow covers the mountain. What covers the mountain? Snow. Hill. 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 A hill is not very high. Children run down the hill. Where do children run? Down the hill. Valley, valley, valley. So, a valley is land between mountains. The village is in the valley. Where is the village? In the valley. Excellent job. You learned 20 common English words about geography and nature. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.